If Microsoft Edge is showing the error code result code killed bad message, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to disable extensions, clear your browsing data, and update Microsoft Edge to make sure everything is running properly again. This is a very common issue, and in many cases it happens because of a bad extension, corrupted cache, or an outdated browser version. So if you want to get Edge working normally again, keep watching. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is disable your extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Edge and cause strange errors like this one, especially if one of them is outdated or conflicting with another add-on. To do this, open Microsoft Edge, then click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions installed in your browser. Start by turning them off one by one, or if you want a quicker test, disable all of them at once. After that, restart Edge and check whether the error still appears. If the problem is gone, you know one of the extensions was the cause. You can then re-enable them one at a time to find the exact one causing the issue. If disabling extensions did not fix it, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Over time, cached files, cookies, and other stored browser data can become corrupted and trigger browser errors. To clear this, click the 3-dot menu again, then go to Settings. In the Settings panel, select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data. Then click Choose what to clear. Set the time range to All Time for the best results. Make sure to check options like cached images and files, cookies and other site data, and any other data you feel comfortable removing. Then click Clear Now. Once the process finishes, close Edge completely and reopen it to see if the error is fixed. If the issue still remains, the final step is to update Microsoft Edge. Using an outdated version can lead to compatibility problems and unexpected browser crashes or message errors. To update Edge, click the 3-dot menu, go to Help and Feedback, and then select About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. If an update downloads, let it finish and then restart the browser. After restarting, open Edge again and test the website or page that was giving you the error. In many cases, once the browser is updated, the result code killed bad message error disappears completely. So to recap, first disable extensions, then clear browsing data, and finally update Microsoft Edge. These 3 steps solve most cases of this error and can save you a lot of time troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.